Good morning and Assalamu alaikum Sabaq class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today is the Thursday, 14th of January 2021. It's a time of science lecture. Students, today's our topic of discussion is light. Today we will do some important terms related to our chapter light. Number 1 is luminous object. Student, what is the luminous object? These are the objects that give out light of their own. They are said to be luminous objects. The sun, the hot gases in the flame, and the hot filament of a bulb are some examples of luminous objects. Students, here the example drawn is the sun. Number second one is non-luminous object. Non-luminous objects are those objects that do not give out light of their own. They are said to be non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects can only be seen when light falling on them reflects into our eye. And the book and the moon also example of non-luminous objects. Moon doesn't have its own light. It takes the light from the sun. Number third one is opaque objects. Opaque objects are those objects that do not allow light to pass through them. For example, wood, metals, concrete, ceramics, fibers, and certain plastics are all examples of opaque objects. When the light is shown on the opaque object, a shadow is formed behind it. Another term is transparent object. Student, transparent objects are those objects that allow almost all the light to pass through them. This property allows us to see through the transparent objects. No shadow is formed when light is shown on a transparent object. For example, glass, water, air. Here is the glass. Another term is translucent objects. These are the objects that allow some of the light to pass through and scatter the rest. We cannot see clearly through the translucent material. Objects behind them look blurred. The examples are frosted glass, tracing paper, and rice paper. Students, I am giving you the classwork, that is, write down the definitions of these terms with the help of example. Do it in your copies and then show me. Thank you, class.